Hola, buenos días. Hi, this is Noemi from here from Florida. I'm here with my mom. We're making today banana bread. You know, we have the ingredients. This is melted one egg. I had a brown sugar, it's a half cup. If you want it less sweet or you want it more sweet, you can put it different. We have a 3 banana ripe. I have in here the baking soda. Let me see how much baking soda was. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and this is a melted butter, 1/3. I had the pan already. You will melt it with butter all the way around. We have in here 1.5 cup of flour. Okay, we're gonna start. We already preheat the oven to 350. And then we're gonna mix in the bowl the banana. Coge la banana y ponla allá. The banana.
De esto.
Sí. Ponla ahí. We're chopping the bananas first. Okay. We're gonna do the melted butter. It's right here. The melted butter. Okay, we're gonna do the baking soda. We have the vanilla. And we have the egg in here. We have the brown sugar. We have the flour. And after you mix all that, you can put it in the fry in the oven and in the mold. Ponlo aquí, mamá. Ponlo ahí. Ponlo aquí. We're gonna put it in the batter in the machine. Very faster. Okay, after you mix it, you put it in a mold and put it in the oven for, let me see how much, for 55 minutes. I will let you guys how the thing come out. Have a wonderful day.